How the Start Pause button works on your Maytag dryer. There are two modes to wake up your dryer. You can turn the cycle knob or press the power button. Both modes will illuminate the sense status light on the dryer to confirm it is on. How to start pause a cycle. Once the dryer is on, press and hold the Start Pause button for 1 to 3 seconds and until all status lights are illuminated, and then go out. The Sense button will stop blinking. This will start the cycle. To pause the cycle after it is started, press the Start Pause button. This will pause the cycle. To restart the cycle, press the power button 1 to 3 seconds until all lights are illuminated and then go out, and the Sense light stops blinking. To cancel a cycle, hit the power button, which will turn off all status lights to the unit.